Hey, I'm Paul, and for the past 5 years, I've been mastering the art of credit and travel hacking. And in that time, I've helped over 4,400 people repair and rebuild their credit, as well as teach them how to maximize rewards to travel first class and stay in five-star hotels for free. So, in front of me, I've got Albert. He's been with us for a few months now. So, Albert, do you want to introduce yourself? Tell us how old you are, when do you join the program, and yeah, just a little introduction of yourself.
So hi guys, my name is Albert. I've been with Rapport for about 10 months now. I'm 21 years old and I've been loving the program ever since I joined. It's been going great.
So in that time of you being a part of the program, we were able to open your business card, which you didn't have, and we've opened you some more cards as well. So do you want to go over like what we've been able to do since you've joined the program and the current credit limit that you have on your credit file, which is pretty crazy, and we'll throw it up on the screen once you talk about it.
Yep, so when I started, I didn't have any Amex cards or anything. I started from scratch. With the help of Rapport and his team, I was able to open the gold business charge card. And the limit for that when I started was pretty low because I was a uni student and didn't have any like much credit history. And it was around, I think it was around £700 as a
Yep.
credit limit. Now, recently, I've looked at the credit limit and my limit's at 120,000, which is quite insane considering I'm only 21. So that's been great, absolutely brilliant.
And just to hop in there, you're 21, but also you're still a uni student, if I'm not wrong.
I'm still in uni right now, yeah.
And that's one of the questions we get asked a lot. Look, I'm young, I'm 18, I'm a uni student, or I'm just getting started off. Is this something for me? And I mean, you're a testimony, bro. You're 21 and you've got the 100K limit. You've been doing the point stuff. You've got your American Express card open. Bro, you've got probably a higher limit than probably 90% of people your age. Actually, probably you're in the top 1% of your age with that limit. I guarantee there's no one out there with a limit like that. So clearly we've done a great job there. And obviously you've put the work in. I never take accountability for it because we give you the knowledge, but you've gone and put the work in to be able to accomplish it, which is good. So yeah, I'm gonna throw those up on the screen, your starting limit and your 120K limit that you sent us recently. That being said, how have you found the one-to-one group chats? Is it something that you find useful? Is it something that you've benefited from?
Yeah, 100%, bro. Like, I was asking questions on like my credit, how I can improve my credit, and what I can do to increase my limit. And yeah, the group members been really helpful. They've been going through step by step, like what to do to increase my limit, and even like queries regarding the manufacturing spend. They've been brilliant.
Yeah, and that's amazing. And that's why we have the group chat. So you have somewhere you can ask your personalized questions, which is great. So the other thing I was gonna ask you, because I don't want to take too much of your time. I know you got exams, you're telling me it's your last year and you want to get it done and you want to get out of the way. So I'm gonna ask two more questions that you could go. Number one question is, how did you find the content material? Was it easy to digest? Was it easy to go through? Or was it more like a uni lectures? Would you say it's easier to digest? Is it hard? Like, how did you find the content itself?
100% not like uni lectures. Like they were pretty easy to access. I knew like where each section was, what I needed to go back through. The software that it was on was very easy to navigate and it was very easy to like, note taking. And then in terms of content, it was very easy to understand. And even if I did have any questions, which I didn't really have any more questions because everything was said perfectly, I would just pop on the group chat and ask.
Perfect, perfect. Yeah, which is amazing. And then the final thing I was going to ask you, was it long to go through? Because you're a uni student, you already got a lot on your plate. And this goes for people that work a job and stuff. Was it easy to go through the content or were they like long? Were they short? Did you find the time to go through it? And how long did it kind of take you to go through all the material?
To be honest, Papa, it didn't take me much long because the videos were like pretty short. They weren't too long. There was a lot of videos that weren't too long. I was easy to go through each video and then take steps after each video, which really helped. I was learning on the go, and then after each video, I was implementing the steps that were on the videos. So that really helped as well.
Yeah, wicked, cool. And that's amazing because that's what I like to do. I like to get rid of all the fluff and just put in the stuff that you guys need to know, which is kind of what we do. And then last question for you, bro, is would you recommend this to someone that's wanting to join? You know, you were obviously on the other side at one point and you made the decision to join. What made you want to join the program, number one? And then number two, what would you say to someone who's really in two minds in joining and is kind of maybe in the same position as you at uni, still working their way up?
I'll say 100%, bro. Like, if you're looking to improve your credit, because credit is very big in a society. I live in the UK, and without credit, you can't really get anywhere. Like, credit is a very big thing in the UK, and in order to improve your credit, you're gonna have to have certain amount of financial literacy and know your ins and outs, like all the different hacks you can implement to increase that credit. So, what made me join? So, after looking at how much credit can take me, I was in my head, I'm young right now. I'll need to like buy a house in the future, maybe take out a car loan. So all these things require a good credit. So in my head, I was like, right, if I stick down and improve my credit from at this age, then hopefully by the time I get into the stage of buying my house or getting finance or getting a car loan, my credit history will be like really good, and this will put me in a better position to get better loans, better finance, etc.
Yeah, no, amazing, bro. Wicked. And I'm not going to put you on the spot anymore. By the way, me and Albert literally just jumped on a call now and I was like, let's just do this together, keep it as natural as possible. But yeah, wicked, cool. If anyone has any questions, just drop me a message about it. This was my testimonial with Albert. He's been with us for 10 months now, 100K credit limit. He's working his way up. He's got multiple credit cards now compared to when he started with 0 credit cards. But yeah, thank you for jumping on the call with us, Albert.